There is an important trade setup on USD CAD, and also USDJPY is still going to come back all the way to the downside with the divergence on the chart, and Euro USD is going to move all the way to the upside. So intensive price prediction and trade setup in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. If you come right here to the USD CAD chart, you discover that markets have a spike at this very point. So we have a spike rise here, and then this spike right now, market is coming back down in the past 3 days with this very bearish candle formation at this very point. What I am looking at is in the next coming days, market should begin to have this move all the way to the downside. There is a divergence on this very point. If you look at the MACD indicator, you discover there is a bearish divergence, and once that bearish divergence is confirmed, then market is going to begin to move all the way to the downside, and that is what I'm looking at right now. So look at this very point. If you draw from here all the way to this very area, and then you draw exact same point on the technical indicator, which is the MACD indicator, to this very point, discover that the market is sloping downward on the indicator, but on the chart, market have been creating new highs. We have this high right here, we have this high right here, and this very high, and I believe this is the last spike, okay, of this very area, which means market have capacity in the next coming days of coming all the way back to the downside. And this is very important. You need to pay attention to this very price analysis and keep your eye on this if you want to trade USD CAD in the next coming weeks. This is what you must pay attention to right now. So because of this bearish divergence on the chart, I am expecting this market to come back down after confirmation. The first confirmation is, if you look at the MACD histogram, you discover that the MACD histogram have started formation on the negative side of the MACD, which indicate that the market have capacity of coming back to the downside from this very area. The next confirmation we need to wait for right now is a breakout of support. Once the market come back down and break out of this very support that is forming a wedge pattern, then you discover market is going to come back down. Notwithstanding, you discover that this very pattern right now is a wedge, and this is the wedge pattern formation. Because of this wedge pattern formation, including the fact that this is a bearish divergence, market is going to come back all the way to the downside. So what we wait for right now for confirmation is for the market to break out of this level of support. Once it breaks out of this level of support, which is a trend line support, market is going to come back all the way to the downside. And my first target for you, if you're taking this very trade after this breakout, is this very point of 1.3644. Okay, this very area right here should be your first target after the breakout. Market is going to come back to the downside, and the second target should be this very area of 1.3543, this very point right here. Okay, so within this zone, I'm expecting the market to come back down. However, as you are trading, you ensure that when market enter 50% of your profit, you bring your stop loss to your break even, that's your entry point, and allow the trade to run. And then your SL should be above this very area right here. We will see the previous close. Okay, so above this area is where your stop loss have to be for this very trade. So trade confirmation is what we're waiting for right now. So once this is confirmed as a breakout of support, market is going to come back down into this very level, and this is what I am personally looking at right now because of this divergence bridging, which there is on the chart already on the 1-day chart USD CAD, and this is on the broader perspective. Okay, this can take days and weeks to play out, and this is what I'm personally expecting right now. Keep your eye on this because it's very important, guys. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, the same pair, discover market move all the way to the upside. We have this very move. What we need to pay attention to right now is a breakout of structure, because market have to break structure. If you look at this sequential move all the way to the upside, structure have not been broken yet, so structure need to break. And the first structure I am expecting to break is this very area of important support. Once this support breaks out, then we're going to see that very support trend line breaks out as well on the 1-day chart. So once that happens, at this very point, the market is going to begin to come back all the way to the downside. This also gives you a clue on when to actually enter your trade. So pay attention to this very analysis if you want to take this very trade in the next week of trading after confirmation. USDJPY price analysis. Look at it here. I was talking about divergence on the chart. And if you look at it and you pay attention and you took that trade, congratulations, because market moved all the way to the downside from this very point. Okay, and this is what I was expecting. The first target is already hit, and we are going to see mini retracement and then continuation back down. And this is what I'm looking at right now. Look at this very divergence that I showed you guys on the chart. From this very point, market move upward, okay, create new highs, and then from exact same point on the MACD indicator, it discovered that the market come back down. Okay, so this was a bearish divergence, which means that market is going to come back down. Look at what happened after confirmation. The first confirmation was there, which is on the MACD histogram, and then the second confirmation was for market to break out of this very support trend line. And market does at this very point, and for the past 3 days, market has been coming all the way to the downside. I personally believe that the market still have capacity of coming back to the downside a little bit, okay, below this very point of 147.92 and this very area of 147.30. Below this very point, market have to come down a little bit, and then we're going to see that retracement coming to the market and then continuation back to the downside, because I'm expecting that this retracement go back down considerably. This is what you have to pay attention to as well on this very chart. USDJPY price analysis, market is still to come back down in line with this bearish divergence that is still on the chart and is playing out exactly as I analyzed on this very channel. See this video right here, USDJPY trading divergence. So divergence trading, and this is very important for all of us that took this trade right now. Pay attention to market coming back down a little bit before continuation to the downside. We have to see retracement, and the market will come down for the next impulsive move. Euro USD price analysis. Look at what has been happening on this very price chart. This is a 1-day chart, and the market moved all the way from this very point of resistance back down, impulsive move, retracement, market impulse, and right now retracement is very possible on this chart. Market is going to move upward for considerable retracement and then continuation back down. I don't think market is going to create a new low again, but the possibility is there. And I'm also going to update you on this very channel. Market is still going to move down, and then market will begin to move upward. So what I am looking at right now on the immediate short term is for the market to move upward, okay, for retracement of this impulsive move we've seen on the chart already. And if you look at the MACD indicator, you discover that the market is about to move all the way to the upside. Look at it here. Market have started formation on the positive side of the MACD with 2 histogram right now, which means market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside for a retracement on this very chart. And also, if you look at it, there is a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line at this very point. Not only that, if you look at this second indicator right here, you discover that the market is about to move upward. Market already moved out of the oversold condition on the stochastic RSI indicator, and then moving upward with this aggressive momentum we're seeing right here. It means that market have capacity of moving upward, okay, for a retracement before continuation back down. And we can only prove that this market is not going to go back down again until we see a breakout of structure. Market have to break out of structure, then we can now say that market is going to move upward. That means in the next coming weeks, pay attention to market moving upward, but in the next coming days, especially next week, pay attention to market moving upward in favor of the euro. What that means is market is going to from here move to the upside in line with what this indicator is saying as well. Not only that, if you look at the price chart very well, you discover that market have retraced considerably up from this very point to this very area after this huge drop down in impulse, which means it is very certain that market is going to move upward for a retracement. And this is what you must have to look out for right now if you are trading euro USD. What that also means is if you are in a trade, or you were in a trade from this very point where market begin to drop back down, then you collect profit for market to retrace a little bit before you now think about moving the market to the downside again, in continuation with this very move we've been seeing on this very price chart. So this is what I am personally looking at right now, guys. Pay attention to all of this on euro USD, and on USD CAD there is a divergence right here on the 1 day. When it is confirmed, market is going to come back to the downside, and for USDJPY, market is going to come back down in line with this bearish divergence. This is what you have to keep your eye on right now to be in the right direction of the market. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. And if you want to know how to trade divergence professionally, please check this video right here on how to trade divergence and my 5 golden rules that made me a good trader. Check that video right here as well. It will help you. Thanks for supporting this channel.